Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about this BTWear PowerPods. True wireless headphones but with USB-C. Is it any good? Well, let's find out. Take a moment to appreciate this box. Very premium box. I'll show you the inside. Look at that. Charging case. Rubbery, smooth, silky finish. Gold metal plate. BTWear. Opens up, magnetic. Let me show you the buds. Same premium feel. Gold plate. Rubber. It's not the cheap plasticky stuff. Into the box like so. It's not going to fall out. Magnet case. Fantastic build quality. 4 more sets of different size ear tips. USB-C charging cable. Finally, they've made a pair of headphones with USB-C charging. It means that I can use the same charger that goes to my phone with the headphones. To me, this is such a great step forward. Everything I've been using now, they're all micro USB. So this is how it looks like in my ear. Your typical AirPod-like headphones. Now I've been using this for over a week now. It is very comfortable and does a good job of blocking out the outside noise. Even without the music on. I reckon I'm hearing only 30% of what I'm speaking right now. But now before getting into the details of the headphones, such as the sound quality, I do want to point out one minor thing that I have to nitpick. And let me just show it to you. So now the box is now facing you, yeah? My right earbud goes into the right side. The left earbud goes into the left side. So you might be saying, so what? What's the issue with that? Imagine that the case is actually facing towards you, like so. It means that the right ear would go into the left slot and the left ear will go into the right slot. So you just gotta remember.
I'd rather not answer that.
So you just gotta remember, when you put it in, it's in opposite direction. Like I said, minor nitpicking detail, but I feel that you should know. Now on paper, these headphones can last up to 8 hours of playback time. That's more than double than other headphones I've used. Now, I can't tell you whether it holds because I haven't been using them for 8 hours straight. Once I'm done with it, I pop it back into the case, and once again on paper, these last up to 40 hours. And for the week that I've been using this, either on the train or cycling to work, and apart from the initial charge, I haven't had to charge it at all. Oh, and by the way, when I cycle to work, I only wear one ear, so I can still sort of hear my surroundings, and therefore it works single ear as well. The fitting is great. I've never felt like it was about to pop out or anything, or gonna lose a bud or anything like that. It fits very secure in my ear. Now they are also touch controls. So this bit here is where you control the music. You tap once to start and stop the music. Works on either side. Tap twice to go to the next or the previous track. And you tap and hold for 2 seconds to activate voice command. Unfortunately, you can't control the volume up and down with the touch controls. So that's a bit of a shame. But apart from that, yeah, the touch controls work pretty well. Now the sound quality. When I first got them, to be honest, I wasn't that impressed. Alright? For the first 30 minutes or so, I was using the default buds that came with it. And to me, music felt a bit hollow. So I reached out to the manufacturer and said, hey, these don't sound good at all. But he said to me, it will get better after a couple hours of use. Let the headphones break in. So I put the headphones on, music, just pop it aside, play for about 2 hours. In the meantime, I was still adjusting the earbuds to get the right fit and all that. After 2 hours, the sound quality got a lot better. It doesn't have the strongest bass, I must say. It doesn't have the strongest bass, so if you're a bass chaser, it's probably not for you. But the mids and the highs are so balanced, together with the bass. It's just a very nice balanced set of headphones. It doesn't sound muffled at all. So in terms of sound quality, it's pretty good. Now they are IPX5 waterproof. They still work. One of the most common questions asked in any one of my headphone product review is that, is there audio lag? Is there dropouts? Firstly, audio lag. Slightly. The sound would come out probably a quarter of a second quicker than the video. Not a deal breaker for me, but it might be for some. Audio dropout, hardly any. Congested areas, train station, Flinders Street station in particular, I did notice a second or two just drop out, but apart from that, walking along the city streets, cycling to work, on the train, no dropout whatsoever. Now what about the price? Well, at the time of the review, these are worth $60. It's definitely a step forward in terms of the USB-C design and the 8-hour playback time. The touch control also works, so I can't really complain. Great set of headphones. Now I'm going to have the link to the product in the description below. The seller has also confirmed with me that he will be providing me with a code for the Black Friday sale. So once I have the code, I'll update the description to include a code for you to use. Well, it also depends on when you're watching this video. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.